Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abel Wealth and I hope you guys learned one or two from the last video on how to create a YouTube channel. I showed you guys how to create a YouTube channel from the scratch, how to register an email address, then use that email address to create a YouTube channel. I had a lot of feedback from that video, so people were asking me how they can create a YouTube account from an existing email. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. I'm going to also show you how to use the YouTube app. If you have a YouTube app and you're wondering how you can create an account from the YouTube app itself, how you can log into your account, I'm going to show you that in this video. So without wasting much time, let's head into my screen and get started. First, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel with an existing Gmail account using a web browser. Then I'm going to show you how to create an account with an existing Gmail using the YouTube app. Additionally, I will show you how to get your YouTube profile link where you can share to your friends for follows. So all these are what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get started. On your mobile phone, locate a web browser. You can use Chrome or any other web browser that you have on your phone. So in my case, I'll be going with Firefox. So I'll launch the Firefox app. So while on the environment, go to your search and search for YouTube. Okay, so we are here on the YouTube environment. So the first thing we want to do is to go to this you see this very icon at the top right hand corner where you have something like an image. You click on it. So once you click on it, you will see some options: account, sign in, settings, help, feedback, YouTube music, YouTube kids. You go to where it says sign in. So you can see that it will bring you, it has brought you back to your YouTube, to your Gmail, not your YouTube, to your Gmail. So if you check my last video, I covered how you can create a new Gmail account where you can use a Gmail account you can use to now create a YouTube channel. If you've not watched that video, I'll leave the link in the description. So here, what you have to do when you're here is to put in your YouTube, to put in the email you use for your YouTube. So the email address you want to use for your YouTube, the email account you'll be using for your YouTube is what you put into this place. So if you're already signed in, if you've already signed into your Gmail account, you might not see this process. You will just see that you're already signed in. So I suggest that you sign out of all your Gmail accounts first before you proceed to the YouTube, where it will now take you to this place for you to put the Gmail account you want to use. So I'll stick with the one I created in my last video. I'll just enter it here: enterprise Pinky @g. Okay, enterprise Pinky 0 @gmail.com. Okay, so this is the email address I created in my last video that I used to sign up for a new YouTube account. So I'm sharing this video for those who want to know how they can log into their YouTube account using an existing mail, how they can create an account using an existing mail. So I'll go ahead and hit the next button. So it's asking for my password. I'll go ahead and put in my password. And hit the next button. It's asking me if I want to save it. I'll say no, I don't want to save it for now. I'll go ahead and click never because I don't want to save it. So now that you've logged in, you've successfully logged into your YouTube with an existing Gmail account you have. Mind you, you can only use Gmail accounts for this. You cannot use any other account. You cannot use Yahoo. You cannot use any other. You cannot use Yahoo Mail. You cannot use Hotmail. It has to be a Gmail account. Hope that is noted. So now that you're here, to know that you've logged in, that you're now in YouTube, you go to this place, that same place you click on earlier to input your email. You go there once again. Now you can see that it is now showing Pinky Enterprise, which is the email I used in logging into my YouTube channel. In your case, if you've not created a channel before, you see, instead of seeing where it's saying manage your account, you will see create an account. Create an account. Either you see create an account or create a channel. You see one of those two. So in your case, you just go ahead and click on that on it and enter the name of your YouTube channel, the name you want to use for your YouTube channel, and enter every other information that you want to, like your YouTube handle and all that. I hope this was very clear and understanding. I'm doing this using a web browser. I'm using a Firefox web browser. You can use Chrome to do this too. So one of the things you can also do now is go to manage your, that's manage your Google account. We're not going to cover that. So you can go to settings on your YouTube. You know, I promised that I'll show you one or two settings. You can go to settings. You know, here you will see one or two. You can see accounts. Here you can do so many things: restrict mode, view video reviews, you know, and things like that. Let's go over here and see this other. Let's go to your YouTube channel. You can see that it's saying your channel. So once if you're creating a new channel, once you finish creating a new channel, it will still bring you back to this place where you see where they say your channel. So once you click there, you can now see a little detail about your channel. You can go over here and you can see about your channel detail. So for those who want to copy their link to their channel, which is one of the things I want to cover here because I had questions about how to get your channel link. So once you're on YouTube, let me go back to home. For those who want to get a link to their channel where they can share their channel to their friends and, you know, their network to, you know, subscribe to their channel and things like that, you go over to this same place, that same icon. You go to your channel. Then while you're on your channel, this place it says more about this channel. You hit on there. Then from here you now see your channel's link. This is your channel's link. You can copy it. See, it has been copied to the clipboard, and share it to wherever place you want to share it to. Okay, so let's see what you have in your library. Okay, this is your library. You can see there is nothing in your library. You don't have a video. There's no video here yet. You have your playlists. There's no playlists. can see your videos. There's no videos here, so let's go over to the home. Okay, you can see subscription. You don't have any subscription. You can subscribe to other people if you want. So I hope this was useful to you. So I'm going to head over to the app, to the YouTube app, and show you how you can also do this on the YouTube app. So I suggest you download the YouTube app, because the mobile version will not allow you to. The mobile version on the web has some limitations, but the app allows you to do things like upload videos, and other customization of your channel. So let's head to the next phase. Let's see how you can do all these things using the YouTube mobile app. In this second phase of the tutorial, you're going to need a YouTube app, a YouTube mobile app. So you can head up to the Play Store, to Google Play Store, and download the YouTube mobile app, or an iOS store if you're using an iPhone. You download it and install it on your phone. So I'm going to locate my own YouTube app and launch it. Okay, so this is my YouTube app. Top right bottom of the app. If you're using a web version, it's the top header is on the top of the head, is on the top, while you're using an app is on the bottom. So I'll just click on where I have this icon, this human icon, where they say you, and you see it will now say enjoy your favorite video, sign in to access. So I'll go ahead and sign in. So I'll go ahead and say add account. So I will repeat the other process I did. I'll put my email here. Enterprise Pinky at gmail.com, and I'll click on next. Okay, so now it's asking me to put my password. I'll go ahead and put my password and hit the next button. It's now asking me if I want to save. I'll go ahead and say not now. So it's asking if I want to add. I'll just skip all this process or agree to the attempt. So it's now, these are some basic configuration, backup and storage. If you want to backup and storage, and if you want it to back up your data, you can turn this on. say easily restore your data or switch device at any time you back up. So I recommend you do this, you know. So I'm just going to click accept. Okay, so there we have it. You can see that now I have access to my YouTube channel. In your case, it will show you, just like I explained in the first step. In your case, it will show you create account. So you just go ahead and create your account, where it will where you, after immediately you enter your mail, it will show you create YouTube YouTube channel. You just go ahead and do that. You understand? So it's still the same process. Why it's not showing me is because I've already used this Gmail to create an account. I have an account already, and I showed you the process of how to create an account in my previous video. So if you're having any challenge, you can refer back to that video to know how to create a channel. But I'm doing this, I'm using the app so that you understand. It's more understandable, it's more straightforward using the app. So this is my channel. So if I want to add a video, I'll just click on this plus button, and you can see to say upload video, create shorts, go live. So all these ones I'll cover it in detail in subsequent videos, so we don't make this video too long. So if you click here upload, to take you to where you can see all your videos, where you can upload your videos and things like that. So assuming I want to upload this video, I'll just go ahead and click it. Any video that is here, you can click and you go ahead and upload. It's a straightforward thing. So let's look at settings. Let's look at settings. So in the settings, you have general. You can just play around with this. I will not cover all this because of the video is already too long. Then you can say account. You can add an account. If you have other Gmail, you can add it here. Mind you, you can have more than one YouTube channel. So if you want to create another one, you can just go ahead, create a new email and add, you know, as a new account. So there are so many settings you can see here, you know, video quality, you know, and things like that. So the settings too are limited on the mobile app. Where you can see the full settings is when you're using your web, when you're browsing with your laptop. You can see all the whole settings and tweaking and all that. I'll do a separate video where I'll show you how to best customize, how to customize your YouTube channel, how to add pictures to your channel, like your logo, you know, and you know, things like that. So we've come to the end of this very video. I hope you were able to pick one or two you understood extensively, and if you have any question, you can just leave it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. So if this video made sense to you, you can give it a thumbs up and encourage us by sharing to your friend and subscribing to this channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.